Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be talking about two products from Cosrx. I started using them about 2.5 months ago and I have been using them regularly. I'm going to be reviewing these products in this video. My skin is acne prone, sensitive and rosacea prone. I dealt with cystic acne and rosacea for about 7 years before I got a treatment for it. I took an isotretinoin treatment for 1 year and finally my acne cleared out. But even now I have to be very careful with my skincare because if that is not suiting my skin, then my skin tends to get irritated again and I tend to get breakouts. So it is very important for me to have good cleanser and good moisturizer because that was the skincare that was recommended to me by my doctor as well. So it is important for everyone to have a good cleanser and moisturizer, and I've spoken a lot about these things in my other videos, so you can check them out. I switched to this face wash recently. Before this I was using Effaclar by La Roche-Posay, and as a substitute, because Effaclar has become so expensive in India, I started using Ducray's Kersenil face wash. So you can use those face washes too. They are good face washes. They were recommended to me by the dermatologist itself. But now in India you've got good substitutes and good cleansers which are suitable for sensitive skin. All in all, I've been loving both the cream and the cleanser, so go ahead and purchase this if it is available on Nykaa currently. It's totally gonna be worth your money. I just want to show you how my skin looks currently. I'm just gonna come closer and show you. I've not used a foundation or a cream. It is just the cleanser and the moisturizer. I have used some makeup under my eyes and I've used lipstick, but that's it. There's nothing else on my face. I do have current acne, too active acne here because I've been eating a lot of ice cream and sweets, but my skin still looks good, I think, and I hope it'll work the same for you guys as well. If you liked my review and if you've liked this video, I would really love for you to support me by subscribing to the channel. It's really helpful, especially for somebody like me who's just started and has a really small channel. I'm gonna get straight to the point. This cleanser, I absolutely love it. It's my new favorite and I'm not gonna change this for a long time. Once I find the right cleanser, I stick to it because it's my first very important step of skincare. And my skin does not like it when I'm experimenting with too many products. So it's important to have few products that you can absolutely stick to for a long time. So this is my new favorite. I am not going back to Effaclar, I'm not going back to Kersenil, or I'm not going to be using Simple's face washes anymore because they were good, but this is better. It is mild. It's fragrance free, it's irritants free, it's oil free, it's absolutely suitable for sensitive skin, and it's also got salicylic acid, so especially suitable for skin which is prone to breakouts. This cleanser leaves me feeling like there is something extra which is happening for my skin. Obviously this face wash does not leave my face dry or pulling or tugging. My skin feels comfortable after washing my face with this face wash, but at the same time I feel like it really deeply cleanses my skin and I feel so fresh and rejuvenated after using this face wash. It does that because it's got a very mild surfactant. It's got hydrating ingredients like butylene glycol. At the same time, it's got all these extracts in it. It's got leaf extracts and flower extracts, and all these ingredients are very calming and also soothing. So the feeling that you get after washing your face with this face wash is amazing. That's something that I have not experienced before in a face wash. I did like Simple's face wash. It was very easy on the pocket and it's a basic cleanser. It does not strip your face. But this is a little bit extra. If you use it like twice a day, this can last you up to 4-5 months or even 6 months. I absolutely recommend this. It is available on Nykaa. I think it is also available on Amazon. It is also available on other websites like Yes Style, so you can order from there as well. That will guarantee you that you get the real product. So let's talk about the second product. This is Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. This has got 92% of snail filtrate or snail mucin or snail slime, whatever you want to call it. This is cruelty free, so you don't have to worry about that. This cream was a happy surprise for me because before this cream, the moisturizer that I was using was from Clinique, and for the 30 ml I was paying about 3,400 rupees. This is 100 grams and I paid around 1,200 for this, so less than half the price that I was paying for Clinique. This cream does not anywhere say that it is meant for oily skin or sensitive skin, but when I looked at the ingredients, I was really impressed. My only concern at the time was I did not know how snail mucin will react to my skin because my skin is very sensitive. I was afraid it might break me into rashes or I might get an allergic reaction because you're basically dealing with a natural active substance. But I was so surprised to find that this is so soothing and it's healing. Healing is the best way to define this cream because the snail mucin really takes care of any tiny blemishes or any kind of skin irritation that you have currently on your skin. So when I started using this cream, I was using the Ordinary's niacinamide and zinc serum. It's got 10% of niacinamide and that was irritating my skin. So and I was also using a retinol at the same time. So my skin started having rashes on my left cheek. Then I stopped all of them and I just started using this cream in isolation, and within 3 days I noticed a huge improvement in my skin. At present, I am not using any other moisturizer. This is all that I'm using. I use my face wash right after that. I use this and I've been loving this cream. I honestly have nothing to complain about except for the box because it makes it difficult to use the cream because the cream is so slimy. You need a very tiny amount of this product, so if you take out a lot with your fingers, then it takes a long time to absorb into the skin. It is hydrating, it is fragrance free, it has no irritating ingredients. If it works for my skin, it'll work for most people out there. So if you have skin like me, which is acne prone, which is super sensitive, which is rosacea prone, this cream is definitely going to work for you. I have been using this cream for about 2.5 months, but I still have at least 2 months of use left. So again, it is totally worth the money that you're investing in this product. The first time I used this cream, it actually made my complexion brighter. It almost felt like I'm using a vitamin C. But after 4 or 5 days, my skin stabilized and it came back to its normal self. My skin is the type that gets used to any product that I'm using, and I stop noticing changes after a while. But I think overall my skin has been feeling better, has been looking better, and it seems less irritated. You guys have been noticing that in the videos itself. So I think my acne scars are also appearing lesser because my skin is not that irritated anymore, and it is all because of these two products that I've been using in combination. This is good enough for me. If I don't have time for anything else, I'll just use the cleanser and the moisturizer and my skin is good to go. If you want other recommendations, any substitute products, then you'll have to see my other video, which is about my favorite cleansers and also my favorite moisturizers. You'll get other product recommendations instead of this cream. So do give these products a try and let me know how it's worked for you. So thank you so much for your love, and I'll see you in another video. Till then, have fun, have faith, take care, bye.